Hi, this is Smart Dev Coder. In this video, I am going to show you how to use ChatGPT-4o. That is, O stands for Omni. It is a new version just announced by ChatGPT, that is OpenAI, on May 13th. Now I got access to it to try it out. Okay, now I will use this one to generate the title, description, and keywords for my YouTube video. Here I uploaded a video already about how to connect from VGA to HDMI converter adapter with audio. Okay, so I want complete description, title, and also keywords, so that my video will be boosted as per the YouTube SEO. So we will see how it will be done. Now I am giving a prompt to ChatGPT, that is, your role is an expert your role is an expert YouTube SEO optimizer. I made a video about how to connect a VGA to HDMI converter adapter with audio. So I am assigning a role to the ChatGPT, that is, it should act like a YouTube SEO optimizer. Okay, then give me a long description over 500 words and keywords separated by commas, keeping in mind that your description and keywords should boost my videos as per SEO. Okay, and I will press enter and we'll see what the ChatGPT will give us. Okay, I already gave the same prompt here and I got some reply. We'll see what it will do next time. It will just give me the same reply, or it will give us a different one. We will check it out. Okay, so this is the title. So you can see how amazingly the ChatGPT is giving a step-by-step guide. If we want to do it manually, it's a very headache process and very time taking, and we have to think and type. So ChatGPT is doing in within a couple of minutes or seconds. Okay, so it is giving the troubleshooting tips also. So it is telling that what we have to do when there is no video signal, if there is no audio, if there is a poor video quality. Okay, if the converter is not powering on. Okay, so it is given everything, and it is giving us conclusion that by following these steps, you should be to successfully connect your VGA source to an HDMI display with audio. This setup is particularly useful for those looking to extend the life of older hardware or incorporate older monitors into a modern setup. Actually, it is not monitors, it is a laptops or PCs to connect with the latest monitors. Okay, so it is also giving the end note. Okay, it is even asking the subscribers to subscribe to channel and give a thumbs up. See how good it is. But before this one, the ChatGPT 4.0, the reply was not this good. Now it is giving keywords. as per my usage of ChatGPT from few months, I think this was faster than the before, because this long reply would have taken too much time, very lagging before, but it was very smooth now compared to last one. Okay, if you see my this one with the last reply, we'll see whether it is similar. See here, keywords are more than the present one, the conclusion is there, troubleshooting tips are there, okay, step by step guide is there, okay, but few points are missing from that to this one. Okay, let's now what I will do is I will use this one as a title. Okay, and I will copy the entire thing again from here to here. So angle brackets are not allowed. Okay, so angle brackets, where are there angle brackets? I don't see any angle brackets here. Okay, there is an angle bracket here, so we'll replace this with to hyphen, and the error should has gone for now. Okay, so now our description is looks good. Now what we'll do is we'll select the latest and I will select the playlist. Okay, then we will go to, is it made for kids? No, it's not made for kids. My video contains paid promotion like a product placement, sponsorship, and so I did not done anything in this video. Do you have following, make real person appear? So all these things also no. Then so now I want to add tags here. For that, so I will copy these. So I will copy all these keywords from here. Okay, I think length has increased, so I will remove some. This one is not related to us. Okay, and technology upgrades or video connection standards, I will remove this one. Tech guides, tech tutorials, HDMI conversion. Okay, I will remove this one. I will remove still there connection. So I will remove this one. I will remove this one. VGA to HDMI, connect to VGA to, I will remove this one. I will remove this one. Remove this one, this one, this one. Okay, now it looks good. So we will see whether taking the ChatGPT's help is useful for us in getting the views or not. And I will provide the video of this link in the description of our video here. I will copy this one and paste it there. When you are watching my video about the using ChatGPT for generating the YouTube video title, description and keywords, you can see whether it is affected my video or not by clicking on the link in the description, so that we know how ChatGPT works. If it works in getting the views like this, you can also follow the same thing. Okay, I hope my video is helpful for you. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share videos. This is Smart Dev Coder signing off.